Here I have OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap here, go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. Here you can enable watermark, so you can add some other features of your watermark like location, date and time, author name, and so on. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.